Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. I am Beanie Man, of course. I haven't got a beanie on. No, not today. I'm not Beanie Man. I'm someone else. I am myself. I'm just gonna be feeding the pigeons today. Gonna be feeding the birds. I've been doing it a lot this week actually, and it's quite relaxing. Just sitting in the park, feeding the birds. I have the feed next to me right here. Um, and I did it yesterday, and I came out to this specific park with the sole intention to feed squirrels. But every time I've come here, there's either been loads of squirrels that don't want my attention, or they just haven't really been around. So I just come here to feed the birds now, which is quite nice. Let me just put my money in the thing. But yeah, oh yeah, I've seen about like 6 squirrels. Guarantee if I had what I normally feed the squirrels, they wouldn't be coming over. Let me just chuck some bird feed on the ground and see who comes. There we go. Okay, yeah. Okay, never mind. The pigeon bamboozled me. So, what I was thinking is, oh yeah, see the pigeons are nice. They're nice and friendly, to be honest. Look, never mind. I can't show you. Um, Sorry, I got a bit distracted there. There's so many. Look at them. Don't know if you can see them. Look, they're all lined up. That's quite nice. So I was thinking, um, once a week or like for a weekend, I come out and feed the birds, but also talk about channel updates and things like that, all that kind of jazz. Yeah. Um, so with that being said, my last video, well, it wasn't very entertaining. I watched it a few times since then, and I'm just there like, truth be told, as I said in the video, I was having a bit of an off day. The reason for that is because a few months ago I ordered something from America, and it's from Lord of the Rings. I love Lord of the Rings. I got like the One Ring here and everything. It's quite nice. But the thing that I ordered tried to be delivered to my address like about a month ago, and they've always just been. And I went to the post office. The guy was like, "Yeah, they didn't leave you a reminder card for next time. They just sent it back to America." So that's why it really annoyed me that day. I was really annoyed that day, and I thought, you know what? I want to make a video. It makes me feel better. So nah, that day I was quite annoyed. Oh, what's this? Ooh, look at him go. Ah, yes. So I was quite annoyed that day, and yeah, I mean, I don't know. I still am. I contacted Parcel something the other day, like to see if I can still get it back, but it got sent back to America. So I've been told that text them, like not text them, but like send an email to them in like the next like however many days, maybe a week. This one's getting brave. Uh, Send them an email in like the next week and see if I can get it back. I should be able to. Oh my goodness, they're all coming over now. Look at them. Yeah, look at them. Right, ready? I just sat up. And yeah, so if I'm able to get it back, I will. And yeah, because I've been really wanting to make that video for a long time. I don't want to spoil it just in case I do get it back. Like get it resent to me and everything. I don't want to spoil what it is because it's been something I've wanted since I was like, I don't know, since forever to be honest. Um, but yeah, it's just I don't know. It's just been really frustrating to be honest. Trying to get a hold of someone who will actually help me because I contacted the people that I bought it from the first time, and they were just there like, yeah, well, we'll send you a tracking number. Like, that's not gonna help. Yeah, that's not gonna help, is it? That one's getting a bit brave. This one here. We all know what that means. Um, but yeah, it's quite a lot of birds. So I'm going to chuck two down. I don't want to chuck a whole lot because there is another park that I like to go to, um, and yeah, there's loads of birds in that park, like ducks and that. So I don't want to use all of this. I'm probably going to use like a fair bit of it, but not a whole lot. Probably just like a few more handfuls, and then I'll end it here, and then I'll go to the other park that I like to go to. But yeah, that's pretty much what I had planned for this like next few weekends, to be honest, because there is something that I'm currently working on this month, and I don't want to say too much or spoil it, because I spoke to my friend about it, about making a video at the end of the month about, yeah, and well, that's cool. There's like a blue bird over there. It looks like a hummingbird. Um, but yeah, yeah, that's my plan. So if that sounds enticing, like if you lot just want to, a day or like a weekend of like just listening to like me rambling or the water, if you can hear it, and the pigeons as well. If you just want to hear the pigeons just vibing about, yeah. Um, Yeah, sometimes I just get distracted. Like sometimes I go live on like Facebook, and I talk to people who join. Um, if you're those people, by the way, hello. Uh, but yeah, I sometimes talk to people, but then sometimes I just zone out because it's so relaxing here. Look at all the birds chilling. I'll put some on the bench for you. Lot. There we go. Oh no. Actually, let me cover because like I got a touch up on my tattoo the other day, and what was it? They well, no, it went pretty well actually. But the other day, yesterday actually, I was here feeding the pigeons, and there was a pigeon who kept on sitting on my arm on my tattoo, and I got so scared because obviously it's a fresh tattoo. I don't want it to get infected, and yeah, I shouldn't have put it on there. Some of them are struggling to stay up. Let me see if I can get one to eat out my hand. Shall I? If all of you can't fit on, just eat on my hand. I don't think they're gonna. Oh, this one. Oh, oh my goodness, it's doing it. Oh, like, stop fighting over it. They're fighting over it. No, is that enough? I think that's enough. Yeah. Oh no, more. Oh my god. Oh, did you see that? Oh, it's always such a little bit. Oh, I don't know. Ow, 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 ow. You're digging into my hand. They're eating up. It's like a lunchbox. Look. Alright, I'm gonna take it out. Alright. Oh my goodness. Incredible. I just love it so much. Oh, look, it's come here now. Hello. Honestly, just a weekend where you just sit and feed them. Oh, stop fighting! This is my hand. Oh, it's on my shoe. Honestly, a weekend where you just like feed the birds. I've been trying weekdays like this week, but I think weekends are alright. I usually come out like 9 or something, about 9 or something, because I never really do much in the morning. So like if I just they're literally eating out of the box right now. Um, yeah, I literally do nothing until like 12 anyway. Even then, I'm doing nothing all day. So like, just getting out in the morning, being outside, it's just wonderful behaviour. Oh, they're fighting over it. I'm gonna put you down. If that's all right. Right, y'all keep eating out of it. You got to save some for your other people. You know, in the other park. I'm gonna chuck some over there. Oh. Good thing I bought hand sanitizer. See, the other day, something like that happened. It sat on my on my arm actually, and it was literally clawing into my tattoo, and I didn't like it. I cleaned it though. I cleaned it because I didn't want it to get infected. So today, I'm rolling it down like my sleeve, but also I've got hand sanitizer just in case. But yeah.
There's lots of pigeons.
I feel so blessed when people walk past. I know it's not for my benefit, but it's so lovely. They're literally fighting over it. See I just moved my hand. See what I did the other day. I've been researching actually because like I had a lot of rice and a lot of oats at home, so I googled is it like okay for pigeons and like ducks and that to eat oats, and yes it is, because it provides, I think it's like nutrients and fiber or something. Um, and then a different day I googled was it okay for them to have rice. Um, Whether it's cooked or uncooked, yes, they can eat rice because it gives them a bit of energy. And I also read that they like have a fast metabolism, so if they do eat it, it just passes right through them anyway, and they don't have the stomach acid to like. I don't know the science behind it actually. I'm probably talking a load of waffle right now, but but yeah, but yeah. So in here is rice and oats and bird feed. I got some bird feed this morning, and yeah, I've been coming here and feeding them like quite a lot. I don't know if it's the same pigeons, but like they seem to enjoy it. You know, I think some of them are getting a bit braver, so I think they are the same kind of pigeons. So yeah, I'm probably gonna sit here for another like 2 minutes, and then head off to like the other park. The other park has like geese and ducks and other things there, and loads of pigeons too. Like yesterday, I sat there and I tossed them down. There was two pigeons originally, and then I didn't see the other ones in a tree. When I sit in my usual spot, if there's no one sitting there, I'll show you the tree. But they all came rushing down from the tree. There was like more than this, and I just got so scared. I thought I was the pigeon summoner or something. Oh, it was just so lovely. That's not. You want some more? All right, last handful before I have to go. Ready? Oh, look, they're all poised. They're like a snake waiting for their prey. Ready? You go. Look, look at them go. Wonderful. Um, why y'all getting scared? I just opened the bottle. Oh, it's lovely. All right, well, I'm gonna stop it here, and then I'm gonna see you all in the next park. Bye. See, I just got to the second park, and finding a space is always so difficult. There are certain places, to be fair, that do like really good places to sit, but it depends. Honestly, it does. Um, But I'm not sure though. Because usually I'd sit over there, but there's no. I mean, there are ducks and things. Oh, they're all over here. That's why. There's already people feeding them. No, it's all right. It's okay. I'm fairly certain there will be some ducks for me to feed. I'm not too sure. I don't know now. Because they're all going over to the other people. And that's fine, it's a public place, but like, huh. I mean, I could just walk around the park and come back later, you know. It's nice to be out in the mornings when you're not doing much. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. Alright, if I find any time, I'll let you know. Bye-bye. See, now, as you can see, there's no ducks at all anywhere. There usually is. No, I don't know what to do now. I still got the bird feed, so I'm gonna maybe, perhaps, just throw some in and hopefully some take, or hopefully some like get attracted to it, because I'd hate to come all the way here and have a wasted journey. It would be quite nice. It'd be quite nice. I mean, there is one bird, but it's just over there in the pond vibing, and I don't really have any. I don't really have any. See, they're all over there getting fed by other people. I think that's quite rude. Nah. Well, there's people sitting over there too. Oh, what? I don't know what to do. I usually just sit in the park, this park afterwards. I know. I feel like I've had a wasted journey. I mean, I'm sure I could just squeeze in, right? I don't think anyone would really mind. I don't think anyone would mind. You hear that? It sounds like a chainsaw. Okay, there's a family over there. I'm currently at a loss. So this isn't the video I expected. I wanted it to be nice and relaxing and calming, but no. Just, it's such a nice little place as well. There's got to be something I can do. I'll sit on my regular bench. I don't know why. I'll sit on my regular bench. Oh wait, I see some pigeons. No way. Okay, look over there, where my usual bench is. Over there, there's some pigeons. So, right, that's good news. That's good news. I'm currently full of energy now. Right. Okay. I'm gonna go sit on my bench. I'm gonna go feed the pigeons. I'm gonna have a nice little good old time. Because that's what I came here to do. Right. It's a bit of a sad journey if I can't feed the pigeons now. Okay. Well, that's 2 minutes and 30 seconds of this video wasted. That's not good. But I'm sure. But there's people that I have to wait for them to cross the bridge, because like the bridge here is like very narrow. This bit. So it's a very narrow bridge. Unless I slow walk, but do you know when you're walking behind someone, or like a group of people, and you're going slowly, like more slowly than they are, and then they look back and they give you weird looks. For some reason, I get that all the time. Well, not all the time, just on certain circumstances. Ooh. That's a nice little waterfall. And look, it comes out on this side. Yeah. Sorry, I got distracted. And look, there's another little waterfall section here. I'll try not to drop my phone. And this one over here. I mean, it needs to be clean, but What? Oh, it says from here. Look. Please do not feed the birds from here. Good thing I'm going to my bench. Sorry, in a bit of a weird mood. I'm kind of a... I don't know. There's too many people. Can't lie, I'm a bit upset actually. But it's okay. I mean, it's a public park. I've got no reason to be too upset about it. It's just not what I planned. But it's okay, you know. It's only a park. It's only a park. There's like, you know, billions of others in the world. But there's only 2 that I live near. Yeah. I mean, it's quite nice though. It's still nice just standing there. Sorry, I forgot I was recording for a minute. All right, okay. Now they're standing on the they're standing on the thinnest bit of the path. Okay, now they're moving. I'll show you the path actually. That's why I waited. Because even though this is it's a quite a big path, you know. Here, right here is a very thin bridge that can fit maybe like 1 person or like a few, like, I don't know, but look, it's a very thin bridge. That's why I waited over there. Oh yeah. Well, it's just quite nice though. I mean, I'd sit here if it was allowed. Well, I mean, I don't think it's not allowed. I just think, you know, yeah. But look, you've got the waterfall there, and it goes all the way under the bridge and out this side, and it's quite relaxing, you know. There was this one time, a few years ago with some friends, I was sitting over there, like from this little bit here, I went all the way over to there, and I wasn't trapped, but my friend tried to throw me in, and I got quite annoyed, I must say. But it was okay. It was alright in the end. It was alright. But yeah. Oh, I'm taking you on a tour, I am. Oh, okay, cool. No one's sitting on my bench, and there's loads of birds over there. If you can see, probably not actually. Oh, entertaining. My regular bench is free. I've got all the birds. I am now full of happiness. Thank you. Thank you, oh Lord. Okay. Oh, these guys remember me. Sometimes they eat out your hand, which is quite nice. But they're really greedy. Okay, so this is the tree I was talking about because I was on the other side over there. This is the tree I was talking about in my other little bit of the video. So I don't know. Oh, there's more over there. I think we should just move. One sec. All right, this is just getting ridiculous. I keep moving. No, they've all gone. They've all gone over to the other side. I literally had my bird feed out and everything, but no. They decided to not really care. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the other side. I'm gonna, you know, there's quite a few benches on the other side, and I'm gonna feed them there. That'd be quite nice. Because you know, it's just a very long inconvenience. I can't lie. Because most days, actually every day, every time that I've come here, I've gone to where I usually feed the birds, and then, right, I come here, and there's and like there's not many people here, right? So, I mean, to be fair, that is like early morning, so I'm not too sure. But this side should be all right because, yeah. I made all this little bird feed from. And they've all gone over to the other people who's got the better bird feed. Okay, cool. I'm not too late. I'm not too late indeed. Yes. I'm walking with a purpose now. Ugh. I've done a lot of walking in this one little section. Okay. Yeah, look, they've gone. They've gone. Wait. That's where I was, over there. As you can see, there's no birds. It's because they're all over here. My legs are so tired. I just want to sit down and feed some birds and have a relaxing video, but no. It's alright, at least my energy levels are going up. Oh my god, yeah. Okay, so these people have moved on. And all the birds are here. So that's quite nice. I'm gonna just wait for a minute. Actually, no, never mind. I'm gonna keep walking.
And I was just like, think about the prevention of it.
Here we go. Down the stairs. Okay. Okay. Right, there's no benches here, so I'm gonna sit on the wall. But look, if I can get a good angle. Look, this is where they all are. See? It's just long. No. I'm gonna cry. Right. I was just feeding the birds. I kept them moving sides because they were over there, right? And then they were over here, and then they were over there on the other side, and then they were over here. So I finally got them in one spot. They're all over here. Look, they're all here now. They're all vibing, right? As you can see, none over there. I opened the bird feed mix that I made, and look, it fell on the floor. No. That's quite annoying, honestly. I'm so sad. I spent all that time trying to find a spot. I can't lie, I'm pretty upset and mad. There were no benches. I thought there would be. But at least the birds can eat it till they want, until their heart's content. But things that I've learnt from this little escapade, because my outings are usually quite, relaxed. But things that I've learnt, I'll tell you these things. Go out when it's morning, like 9 o'clock, like 8, maybe 9 o'clock. So I'm going to do that tomorrow. I don't think I'll record it tomorrow because this one's been a bit of a letdown. I hope it was entertaining though. So yeah, go out early so there's no people like blocking the paths and whatnot. And then, I don't think I'll go back to that little spot ever again. I'm going to go to my little sitting spot in the park where I pointed, and I'm just going to stand my ground until birds, come along, I guess. So, yeah, I'm going to get home, make a cup of tea, and edit this video. I mean, like I said, my outings are usually relaxing. But yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it entertaining. If you did, please subscribe. And if you want to see, hopefully, more relaxing like videos like this, where I just go out and feed the birds, usually more relaxing, then let me know. Also, if you can hear me well enough, because like, you know, I've established in my first ever video like a few months ago that my audio quality isn't very good. So let me know if it was all right. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.